Today's video will be an unboxing of this product and maybe a little bit of giving you some information about some cosmetic symbols and what they mean. So the product is this Vaadi Herbals anti-aging cream with extracts of almond, wheat germ, and rose. And the weight of this one is 30 grams and having a price of 58 rupees. And I had got the batch of December 20, and the shelf life of this one is 36 months. So this is how the packaging looks. It's decent, it's good, and this is like light red in color, and it's a typical like the herbal product packaging. So the product claims reduces fine lines and wrinkles, reduces dark spots and pigmentation, delays skin aging, and evens skin tone. I really have not tried this yet, so I cannot tell you much about it. So we'll just have to open and let me show you the key ingredients. By the way, the key ingredients of this one are almond oil, wheat germ, vitamin E, mangista, or it's called Rubio cordifolia extract, and coconut oil, and of course rose water. So it comes with this very cute tub. It's kind of small because this is only 30 grams, so it's really nice, and the product is definitely sealed. I slightly opened it, and the cream is light pink and smells okay. It's not very strong, and it's just average smell, and really it's fine. I think everyone will definitely like this scent. And the scent, it's kind of similar to the other cream that they have, which is under eye cream. I'll show you. This is the same brand, but this is the under eye cream from them. It's similar scent, I think, because they both have ingredients of rose and almond, and it has a really creamy texture. It's very thick and creamy, and I can clearly feel the oil ingredient. It's thick, as you can see. Let's see how it gets absorbed in the skin. Well, initially you will feel the oiliness or greasiness on your skin, but it's getting absorbed in my skin easily, and I think the greasiness, you can feel that it's slowly going away. But I think I would suggest using this at night, or maybe not during summer, because for oily types of skin this might be a little bit thick or heavy for your skin. I think, wow, it's really good. It's really moisturizing. It's kind of having a matte kind of effect on your skin after applying it. But I will try this for a few days and see how it goes. So overall, my opinion, I think this would be a great moisturizer, and would really benefit those who have dry to normal skin. So that's all for now for the unboxing and first impression about this product. More thing, there's something that I want to show you guys that some of you may not be aware. As you can see here, let's try. Okay, there are these symbols with this little jar with 12M. On the left side there's this tiny lid, and the second symbol and the third symbol with rabbit or bunny, and this fourth symbol. So the first symbol, this one, okay, this mentioned here 12M. This is the little open jar icon. Written on it is 12M. This icon is actually, sorry, my hand is a little shaky. Okay, this 12M here, this icon is called PAO, or period of opening, which tells you how long the product will stay good after the package is unsealed. And the second symbol, which is this one, it's called the Mobius loop, and that's spelled MOBIUS. If the symbol is inside a solid circle, which is similar to this one, it means the packaging itself is made from recycled material. And the third icon, or the third symbol, is this bunny or rabbit. It means that the product is cruelty-free or not tested on animals. And the last symbol is the green dot inside a box. It means only vegetarian contents are present. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time.